I'm about to put my sunscreen on. And I wanted to do a little first impressions on camera because you guys know I love this sunscreen by Elle MD, but I mentioned that I had gotten the one that's for acne prone skin, and I don't have acne prone skin. I do have a little rosacea and hyperpigmentation, but it can be a little drying on me if I'm not careful. I still use it. I just have to like glob on moisturizer before. But I picked up this one because one of you said that they had a moisturizing version. So yeah, this is the moisturizing one with hyaluronic acid, and I just want to try it. Okay, I got the tinted one. Okay, yeah. This feels so much better. Like, it feels less draggy than that one. And the only thing that I'm worried about is it looking like shiny throughout the day. And by the way, I do put this all over my neck because my neck is so much more pale than my face. So I have to bring it all the way down. You should put sunscreen on your neck though, either way. But why do I feel like this one's darker? Okay, so overall, it goes on a lot better. Obviously, probably because of the hyaluronic acid. Definitely more moisturizing. I feel like it's more soothing as well. Sometimes when I put this one on, my face does get kind of red. I do have sensitive skin though, so yeah, I'll let you guys know at the end of the day or tomorrow or whenever I remember how it wears throughout the day. So this one also has SPF 40 instead of 46 like this one, so I don't know. But yeah, this one's targeted for normal, combination, and post-procedure skin. Sounds pretty up my alley because my skin just freaks out for anything. For today's outfit, I am wearing this old asymmetrical tank from the line by K. These pants I got from W Concept. Bag is from Bottega Veneta. Shoes are the Row. It was all fun while it lasted. About these are my favorites. After I wash it, it goes on my body for like 3 days in a row, and then I wash it again, and then it goes on my body again. Like, I cannot wear anything else. So, I just finished filming and this is my current situation, and I just decided to start switching my racks to my spring stuff. I don't think I'm gonna do the complete switch right now, but certain things I'm going to be putting back in the closet because I'm not going to be reaching for them that much. Switched into some comfortable clothes. And I was just unboxing this and I wanted to show you guys. Look how cute these candles are. They're by Elle, apotheke, or apotheke. And they're like these little trendy candles that are like all over Instagram. They're so cute. There's one. Oh man, this one came broken, but it's fine. I could just melt it back together. It's just like a lighter color. Green one. So cute. A blue one. Love it. So we have this little cloud-shaped one. It's so cute. Sorry, my AC just turned on. So it's gonna be loud. I know. The little female figure. I love it. Another little female figure. Oh my god, a little baby one. It's so tiny. Shell one. So pretty. A white shell. And a little white baby one. So yeah, this is the brand Elle apotheke or apotheke. So stinking cute. Woke up today feeling sick. Roger gave me his cold. He got tested and he was negative, so I'm probably gonna have to go get tested now. This is the first time I get sick at all, I think, throughout the entire pandemic. So fun times, really fun times. I don't even remember what footage is in this vlog, but let's hope it's somewhat entertaining. So yeah, I wanted to show you some new pieces that I got from the lobby. So if you guys aren't new here, you know that I pick about 3 things every month or so from the lobby. So I got these earrings, which are by Jenny Bird. And one thing I will say about all of the jewelry that I have from Jenny Bird, because I have a couple of pieces, is that it is so well made. These kind of look like the ones that I have from Love AJ that I never take off, but they're a little bit more unique because they're oval shaped. So they're not a perfect circle, which I love. And I also love like how thick and just substantial and like good quality her pieces are. I also have like her link chain and her link bracelet, and I love it. And then I also got this sweater. I'll show you in just a second in the mirror, but I wanted to show you a close-up of the detailing. It just has like a line running down the middle, and it also has a line running on the arm. And I just love basics that have these little details. Like they're a little bit more unique than a traditional basic. So I do own mock necks, but I don't own one as like loose and comfy as this one, and I don't own one that has like those little details. So this one is by Entire World, I believe, and these biker shorts are by Outdoor Voices. Everybody out there who has like thicker thighs, you might understand the struggle of an inseam that is too short. These are 7 inches, I think, which is perfect for me, because otherwise it'll just start rolling up and I'll end up with like a bikini. So I need them to be a little longer. Okay, so here's the detailing on the sweater, and these are the shorts. They're like the perfect length in my opinion. And yeah, very, very comfortable. I love mock necks because they're not uncomfortable. I actually think I like mock necks more than turtlenecks. And here are the earrings. So I realized that I didn't talk about my chair when I did the little unboxing for it. So this is a Charles Eames replica. I really love obviously the original one, but it's really, really expensive. Even the secondhand ones were really expensive. So love this. The lumbar support is great, back support is great, the pad is amazing. I can sit on this chair forever. I love it. And yeah, I also love how it rolls everywhere. You can tilt it back and higher it, lower it. It's just super comfortable. It doesn't look like it would be the most comfortable thing, but it really is. It's like a sturdy chair. Ooh, let me show you some shoes I got. So for the spring and summer, I really love white, and I didn't own a pair of like true white sandals. So I was on the hunt for some heeled sandals, and I came across these and I had to get them because they just look like a piece of art. The brand is Neil J. Rodgers. The blush that I've been wearing, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up very well, but it's like a peachy, orangey, pinky, like light, like guava. Yeah, I guess that's a good name for it. Guava kind of color, and it's pretty unique because it's not too orangey and it's not like pinkish. It's like the perfect shade ever. I've been using it on my lids and on my cheeks, and I love it. It gives such like a fresh face. So I was recently sent this moisturizer and cleanser by Super Egg. First of all, look at the packaging. Oh, you can see the blush a little better here. Been wearing it all over my lids, underneath my eyes, on my cheeks, and I tried to match it with a lip liner that I have from, I think also Laura Mercier. I don't know, I'll link everything down below. But yes, I've been wearing this moisturizer and using this cleanser by Super Egg. This is the Sound Renewal moisturizer. Look how cute this is. Like, I love the font that they used. I love the packaging. Obsessed. So I've been using this moisturizer. It's what I'm wearing today underneath my tinted moisturizer. I'm also wearing the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. I haven't worn it in so long, and I wanted to just give it a spin. The cleanser is called the Gentle Elements Cleanser, also by Super Egg. Very pretty packaging. You only need a tiny amount of this, so I'll give a full review if it ends up making it to my favorites, or maybe next month, I don't know. But so far, I really love these two products. I've just noticed more evenness and kind of like the hyperpigmentation. I have like little marks here that have gone away quicker in the couple of days that I've been using this than they have previously. So it is my birthday today, and we're gonna go to the beach. This is my outfit. This dress is like a pleated little accordion dress that I got from the Frankie shop last year. Bathing suit is a zebra print. My Loewe basket bag and my white Avianas. I look like a cupcake, but it's fine. For lips, I'm also using something from Laura Mercier. It's the Baby Lips Longwear Lip Liner. I just put like a little bit of the Summer Fridays lip balm underneath, and then I top it off with this, and it gives like a little moisturizing lip tint vibe. And that is what I've been wearing lately. That's all. Oh, I forgot to mention that I had bought this a long time ago. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin, and I have the color Y215. I bought this a long time ago. I don't remember what for, and I didn't really like it. And now I've been just touching up my T-zone because I get a little oily throughout the day, or too dewy in my T-zone. So if you guys need a good matte setting powder for your T-zone, if it's very hot and humid where you live and like nothing else is really working, try this one out. You just keep it in your purse and it's great. Okay, can we just take a moment to appreciate my bougainvillea in the spring? All of them. This brings me so much joy.